Today we're at Shane's Rib Shack. We're gonna go get a rack of ribs and see how they taste. We'll see you inside. Well, the ribs have showed up. They look pretty good. Came with a few slices of bread. Not necessary for me, but I might take a bite. Anyway, I'll let you know what they're like when they're done. Well, that was really good. I even ate all the bread. Very moist, very tender, very good flavor. Can't complain. If there was a rating system, this would be up near the top. Honestly, though, I haven't had that many bad ribs yet on my ventures. All right. They even had really good peach tea. So Shane's Rib Shack, following up, was very delicious. The ribs were moist and very tender, great flavor. The restaurant was very clean. Manager, staff was very nice. They came around and touched the table and everything and made sure things were great. So highly recommend. Great ribs. Didn't eat anything else except they had good teas. They had just basic sweet nice tea, and they had a sweet peach tea too, which is yummy. Alrighty. See you on the next one.